To affix the electronic signatures of the signatories in the teacher's salary subsidy billing statement, select Billing Statement in the navigation panel, then select View, Print, Delete TSS Billing Statement link. Click Billing Statement Signatures under the Status Signature column. In the Status of Signature page, click Send Notification to Signatories button. The Information Management System Teacher Salary Subsidy, or IMS TSS, will send an email with the subject Request to Affix Signature, containing the link to the IMS TSS table of billing statements and supporting documents for signature. Click Affix Signature button. You will be redirected to the two-step verification page of the IMS TSS, and at the same time, the IMS TSS will send an email with the subject Signatory Account Verification, containing the signatory's one-time passcode or OTP. Encode the OTP sent to your email in the two-step verification page. Then click Submit to be redirected to the billing statement for signature page. Check the box beside the TSS billing statement number. Then click Affix Signature. The IMS TSS will ask the signatory to confirm the affixing of signature. Click Cancel to dismiss the action, or submit to process the affixing of signature to the TSS billing statement and attestation of the list of TSS recipients. After clicking Submit, you will be redirected to the two-step verification page of the IMS TSS, and at the same time, the IMS TSS will send an email with the subject Affix Signature Verification, containing the signatory's OTP. Encode the OTP sent to your email in the two-step verification page. Then click Submit. The IMS TSS will show if the affixed signature process is successful. After successfully affixing the signatures to the TSS billing statement and attestation of the list of TSS recipients, click the Send to PEAC Regional Secretariat icon to submit the TSS billing statement to the PEAC Regional Secretariat. Click OK to confirm submission of the billing statement to the PEAC Regional Secretariat. For account security, please take note that the email address used by the IMS TSS in sending emails to the signatories shall only be noreply@emailer.peac.org.ph.